brand new video. Today we're bringing out the GTR, as you guys can see, and today's gonna be a good freaking day, guys. I'm filming with the homie Cat today. I don't really know what road we're going on today, but it should be a dope drive. First things first though, we gotta get some gas. All right guys, we just filled up on gas and now we're heading over to the spot. It's called La Honda Road, I believe. I'm just gonna be following Raf. He's in his Subi right there. I was really surprised that a lot of you guys were like, iPhone vlogs are cool and it feels like I'm just chilling with you. So I really mess with that. Thank you guys so much for all of the support. One of my favorite things about this car so far is how low-key it feels when driving it normally. Like if you're not stopping on this car, it's very low-key. Like you wouldn't be able to tell that this car is a freaking beast. Once you start shifting it, bro, whoo, that's a whole nother story. Now this car is capable of running E85. We also have a Cobb access port, so we could change the tunes on it. Right now we're on the conservative tune and this thing is a beast. So once I feel like I'm comfortable with everything, you know, handling the power, I'm gonna be doing E85 on this, and then we're gonna document our experience together, because E85 on this thing, that's gonna be super crazy. I really want to get a carbon fiber steering wheel for this car, just like how I have it in my Tesla. I think that would make it feel extra sporty and extra nice. But for now, I mean, this stock steering wheel is not that bad. It's pretty nice. Please don't fall.
Got so tired of waiting, got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately there's nothing in the way. Getting so impatient, need to get away now with you. With you. Are you out there dancing alone? Are you up on the road? Baby, I wanna know just how many days will go till I call you my own. You look good in the sunshine, you look good in the rain, and I know once that you're mine, we'll have nothing to change. Getting so impatient, need to get away now with you. With you. Are you out there dancing alone? Are you up on your own? Baby, I wanna know just how many days will go till I call you my own. Are you out there dancing alone? Are you up on your own?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have Wet Media in the building doing his thing. We're in the middle of nowhere right now. Look at this. The person behind us has a super nice driveway. We kind of want to park sideways like that, but I don't know, man. I don't want to go on their property. Bro, I thought he lived here at first. I was like, oh no, I'm sorry, dude. spot's looking kind of saucy.
A few moments later.
Man, look at this view. Yeah. Alright, Raph. Alright, right here?
Yeah.
You ready?
First time in a GTR.
Is it your first time?
Yeah.